Okay, y'all, I couldn't miss up this opportunity. Driving down US 27 in Lake Wales. We've left Port St. Lucie. We're going to Newport Richey, all these ports, the other port of call. So, but you will not believe, we're going down. I see all, Dodge, I see Ford. And all of a sudden, I see this used car and truck place, and you're not going to believe this. There's an example of the things I saw over here. This entire car lot is nothing but classic cars, classic trucks. I see a model, I think a T over there. And some other odd vehicles. We're going to get out and check it out. Okay, so we have a Dodge here. There's VW over here. And since we're on the road and destination, this was just a quick stop off. I'm going to try and cover everything that's here. But this looks to be restored. It has a ladder in the back. Has a luggage rack here. Wow. There's the ladder. All nicely refinished. All right, two-door Malibu, $350. Love the Chevelle. I love that. Look at all the styling. Look at all the detail to the body. Just beautiful. Here we go. Low and slow. Like it low and slow? There you go. Oh gosh, I remember those air conditioning vents like that. Every time I see a bucket seat, I like this one. Banana has roll bars and everything. So this one apparently was used on a race course of some type. Every time I see a bench seat, I think of my father had a co-worker, and it was he and his wife and daughter. Now that's a Cadillac. Wow. He had a daughter, and he refused to buy any car that did not have a bench seat because he insisted that everyone ride in front. Even though we know, like, safety-wise, children should always sit in the back. Well, this one needs at least one new tire. And that paint job, I don't know. I don't know if they were trying to sand through. I don't know, but it's got pinstriping over that. I'm very perplexed at what somebody was trying to do to this vehicle. Got a nice Bel Air here. It was from Miami. Gosh, I wonder how much rust it has. Maybe the tailpipe had some rust. But like it almost reminds me of a silver Rolls. Oh. This is crazy. I've never seen so many vintage cars on a car lot. before. Yeah, we got some rust here.
And all the stuff was free because we're using like old bed frame rails that I found and welding that.
Holy cow, here is the creme de la creme. There's also a open air showroom that they don't want out in the sun. We're going to be checking that out here in a minute.
We had to call the police on her. She's being crazy. She just wants to meet you.
Man, had a friend and we used to go to the beach in his Olds. I loved that thing. I wish I knew who owned this before. Because it looks just like what we used to ride to the beach. Wow. We got some motorcycles up here too. I don't know if these are personal or not. Oh no, they're for sale. Here's a little Schwinn. And look at these. Aren't these cute? So I tried to get Chris to get me this one for Christmas. He isn't budging. He's not budging. I love a car with curves. Look at those fat white walls too. Oh. Here's the.
He said, why would he? Because these guys have got multiple.
So, yeah, I just learned all about Ted Vernon and his car show. I had no clue. Because if you know me, you know I haven't had a TV in a long time. But let me tell you, the man's got a million jokes. Very nice gentleman. I could sit here all day and listen to him. Very, very nice gentleman. He's taking a phone call now. So I'm just taking an opportunity to... anybody got a mullet out there? If you got a mullet, he's got the cars. Wow. Beautiful. I love that one too. Look at this. Wow. Unfortunately, this one has a cracked mirror or glass, but it's got a little rust there too. It could use some work. So, got some Mustangs. That looks like somebody's legit truck. I like this one here. You know, I want to look under the hood of most of these. Gosh. Little VWs. Ranch wagons. Ah, look. I wonder if the surfboard comes with it. It may indeed. Let's see, have some other two-door sports. Bel Air, you got some soft tops. Everybody wants to be Herbie. But what is that, a Subaru front and a Volkswagen back end there? That's a beaut. That is just my era. Little roadster there. I got caught up talking to him for a while. And we have a live show tonight over at Bimbo Barbarella Music Program. It's holiday season, so this is our Christmas extravaganza night. We try not to work our collaborators too hard during the holidays because everyone is busy. But I'm trying to kind of rush through here so we can get back on the road again, check into our hotel, and get ready for the show. I think that one's had a few mods. What do you think? You got an old, thing here that's got some modifications. This was, my allergies have really been bothering me. Half hearse, half truck, or limo, I guess. Truck conversion. You never know what you'll see. Convertible Saab. But this limo is something else, right? White diamond. I bet it has stories. What do you think? Woo! See. I'm going to go on the back end of these. Oh, I like that too. Some of the back ends of those that we shot the front of. We're going to do some of these here. Look at that monster. It's kind of a shame. You know, some mods go a little too far. I'm going to call that one as having gone a little too far. One from Rockmart, Georgia. Phone number 13. Wow. Drake Motor Company. 18,500. Custom cab. I want to be able to walk through here. There's Tampa Bay fans. There you go. Looked like it had a treasure chest on the back side. We sell body parts. Chop House. Great. I hope they didn't have a meat market and that was their logo. That would have been no good. Reminds me, there's this guy I knew in Atlanta. His name is Crash. And I knew him from my friend Bridget. He drove around in a hearse. I heard he had a gyno table as a dining table. Alright, let's look at the interior of this monster. Which reminds me, wow, interior is a little bit of tear here and there. But it reminds me of a guy I saw this week. He had a Jeep, and it was a higher Jeep. He was probably in his 60s. But the poor guy couldn't even... It took him like 5 minutes to get up into his Jeep. Because he's old. Like all of us. Or like me anyway. Like a few of us here. But, you know, as long as you're young at heart, you're okay. Look at that Harley truck. I'm going to zoom in on these. So like I said, I'm going to go in and say goodbye to Vern. He's been a great host. There are some other cars in this back showroom. Oh gosh, it's open air showroom. I'm not going to go back there. I may drive around, see what they have. But I'm not sure what Vern drives. But I know he used to drive a Mercedes. Apparently not anymore. So please don't open on that one. So Go in here. Hope y'all enjoyed this little detour we took. Oh, here we go. It's open right here, so let's just take a quick look in here. And, Triumph. It's a TR7 though, or a 6. What is it? It's a 63. Wow. TR4. Wow, my dad used to have two TR3s. Wow. See now? This one. Holy moly, I can see why these are in storage back here. You have a rat rod here. That is quite the rat rod. Wow. Ooh, I'm getting a little wheezy. These are beauties. Wow. There you go. Wow. It looks like the Chitty Chitty Bang Bang car back there. Wow. Wow. Oh, that's a fat one there. Thick. Thick. Here you go. Pretty easy. Wow. Been needing a new truck. Wow. Wow. All right. That's gorgeous. But why the spoiler? See, sometimes I think things are overdone. I really didn't. It's beauty in itself. And the spoiler isn't going to give you better gas mileage or anything on that car. So, all right. End of the tour. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. And I'm going to say goodbye to Vern one more time, and we're out of here. On the road to Bimbo.
It's Charles with the Good Time Charlies. Hanging out with Ted Vernon, the man with the classic car plan.
Thanks, Charlie. We'll see you around the tubes.
You bet.